How to add PayPal on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add your PayPal as a payment method in your Temu account. So first of all, just open your Temu app or your Temu website in your web browser, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is just select the product that you would want to buy from the Temu account. And once you selected the product, just put that product into your cart like I have done already, and just click on the checkout section from the top right and just come to the checkout page. You will be able to add your PayPal as a payment method in your Temu account while checking out for buying the product. And once you are in the checkout page, you will be able to see a different payment method option in the payment method section. As you can see, you have different options like credit card, PayPal, Cash App and Venmo and other options. Just simply select PayPal, and after that just simply click on PayPal in order to make payment from PayPal. And this pop-up window will appear on your page. And after that, you just simply have to log into your PayPal account using your credentials on this pop-up window. And once you are there, after logging into your account, you need to enter your card number and from the payment method that you would want to pay from your PayPal account. For example, if you already have added your payment method option like your bank account or your credit or debit card, the payment will deduct automatically from your PayPal account using that particular card that you have added into your PayPal account. And if you haven't, just click on add a payment method. Just add your card like your debit or credit card and just make this payment happen here. Just make your Temu purchase happen here in the payment section using your PayPal. So this is basically how you will be able to add PayPal on your Temu account while checking out buying any product. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.